And yeah, 3, 2, 1, and go! And he starts the Spanish Grand Prix. Let's see one stop from Bunny. Oh, Bunny can start.
This is incredible start by Bunny, but Farah, look at me, Reaper's back!
Reaper was front. And TikTok too.
Yeah, TikTok is down. Even Reaper.
Oh, Bunny taken out.
No way!
Emma's over and Crusator. What the fuck for this? Oh, he squashed! He squashed! Baron has crashed!
That might be for Crusator chance. We've seen yes, Crusator take the lead now. No way! Graham starts.
Wow! Let's
Yeah. Could he beat him now?
Oh, Crusator!
Crusator is down, and Baron is back to the lead. How he go?
Oh, he's crashed out of the lead! He's crashed out of the lead!
And he has delay. Where's Crusator now? Reaper's crashed, but where's Crusator? He's behind them. He's not over 50, but he's closer now. This could be interesting battle now.
And also Crusator also never won a race. Let's see.
Baron.
Oh, very close.
Whoa.
That's very close. He's pushing. Baron is a Spanish Grand Prix winner.
The history is right for Indonesian fans in Jerez.
I hope.
Is he doing it?
Whoa,
He doing it without.
What an overtake! What an overtake! 3, 2, 1, and go! Second race of the season, and Bunny is leading. Reaper is leading, or Bunny? What the hell?
Bunny leading. Reaper, Bunny, what is going on? Again, let's see. First corner. Oh my goodness, this is so tight. Reaper's down. No way.
Oh, what has happened?
No way. The main favorite to win this race is crashed. In front of TikTok to Emma Tour, but TikTok is no way, that is a penalty. He's going to the plane.
Yeah, he's serving the penalty.
Think that. On the podium. Yeah, Bunny.
Oh my god! Oh my goodness!
As he did in USA with Lottery.
Bunny, what is going on? What a domination! 30 seconds advantage for Crusator. And he's in the last corner. He's winning his first Grand Prix. First home Grand Prix. And what a wet ride was this!